Top 5 websites to earn money online, tried, tested, and trusted. In today's digital age, there are numerous opportunities to earn money online, whether you're looking to supplement your income, start a side hustle, or even build a full-time online career. However, it's important to be cautious and selective when choosing websites for online income. In this article, we'll explore 5 websites that have proven to be reliable platforms for earning money online. Upwork. Upwork is a popular freelance platform that connects businesses and individuals with freelancers offering a wide range of skills, from writing and design to programming and marketing. You can create a profile, bid on projects, and build a steady income stream over time. Success on Upwork often depends on your expertise and the quality of your work. Fiverr. Fiverr is another freelancing platform, but it's known for its gig-based approach. Freelancers offer specific services, gigs, starting at $5, and you can gradually increase your earnings as you gain experience and positive reviews. Fiverr is a great platform for those with specialized skills or unique services to offer. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk, is a microtask platform where you can complete small tasks for pay. These tasks, known as HITs, human intelligence tasks, vary from data entry to content moderation. While the pay is often low for individual tasks, some users find success by completing a high volume of tasks. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a rewards website that allows you to earn money in gift cards by taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and more. It's a user-friendly way to make some extra cash in your spare time. While you won't get rich with Swagbucks, it's a legitimate way to earn rewards for everyday online activities. YouTube. If you're passionate about creating video content, YouTube can be a lucrative platform for earning money through ads, sponsored content, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication, but it offers long-term income potential.